So really quick, there's a funny story behind the ILA workshop that I just presented at. I told my daughter, oh my goodness, Jaden, we have 2,300 people registered for my webinar. She pauses and she says, do you have enough activities for them? I said, well, I'll be doing most of the talking, so I don't have to do any activities. And she says, well, I'm glad I wasn't doing it. I would need a script because I would just go off script and start talking about Granny's mac and cheese. But here is my after workshop reflection. We talked about ways to make connections with our students. And so here are 3 things I want you to think about when you are trying to make connections with your students. 1, think about the non-academic spaces that you are making connections with your students. 2, think about the academic spaces that you are making connections with your students. And lastly, I want you to think about what implications that has for your planning.